Hi, I'm Monique O'Grady with a smart homeowner energy efficiency tip from the Alliance to Save Energy and energyNOW. Lowering home energy bills and keeping your HVAC system running can be as simple as keeping the filters clean on your heating and cooling system. Some filters are reusable and the disposable ones are affordable. Be sure to clean or replace the filters at least once a month during the heavy heating or cooling season. That will keep your furnace fan from working overtime, which leads to bigger energy bills. It will also help protect your system from expensive repairs. Keeping heating and air conditioning filters clean. Just one simple step you can take to save energy now.